Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to introduce you to AHA Knowledge, the AI-powered product information hub. It enables you to create multiple knowledge bases for different audiences, including colleagues, customers and partners, so everyone can quickly access the product resources they need. We will use a fictitious company named Fredwin Technologies as an example. They provide a fitness application called Fredwin Cycling for tracking activity and connecting with others. Let's start by looking at how to organise your documentation within your AHA Knowledge account from the perspective of the team members who create and manage it. Add as many workspaces as you need to separate content by product or audience. Within each workspace, you can then add folders and subfolders to categorise information in a logical way. Here, the Fredwin Cycling product team is storing plans, processes, research and more for internal use. You can then publish information via a self-serve knowledge base to provide different audiences with view-only access. Let's look at a user guide we created for Fredwin Cycling customers. It includes how-to articles, product announcements, release notes and FAQs. Notice how we custom branded the site with our logo and theme colour to make it a natural extension of our company and created a beautiful homepage to quickly draw people in. Visitors can then use the AI-powered search assistant to ask questions and find what they need fast. Now let me show you the powerful tools in AHA Knowledge to help you create and publish compelling documents. To add a new document, start with a blank page or choose from more than 100 templates to capture information in a consistent way. You can create two different types of documents, notes and whiteboards. Use the AI writing assistant to quickly generate new drafts or enhance existing ones. Rich formatting options provide everything you need to match your style guide and make your content a delight to read. Use built-in whiteboarding capabilities to add visual diagrams. Or include a video to explain complex concepts. If you have existing documents in other systems, you can quickly import them to get going fast. When you're ready for input, assign a to-do to the right team members. You can also share documents with unlimited guests so key stakeholders can weigh in. Use the collaborative text editor to refine content simultaneously, or add inline comments to capture feedback. Refer to the document history at any time to track changes and restore prior versions. There are lots of options to ensure that the right people have access to the right information. Within your AHA Knowledge account, you can set user permissions for each workspace and control exactly who can view and edit each individual document. When you publish information via a knowledge base, you have two options. Make your knowledge base private, setting a password or enabling single sign-on. This is ideal for setting up an internal knowledge base for sales and support teams, or sharing tailored onboarding resources with specific customers. You can also create public knowledge bases so that anyone with a link can view the information. Select the right publishing workflow for each knowledge base to control how content is updated. Better still, use AHA Knowledge as a seamlessly integrated part of AHA roadmaps to keep your documentation in sync with your product plans. From using AI to quickly draft release notes and feature descriptions, to embedding live views of roadmaps and reports in documents, you will find that bringing everything and everyone together in the same system streamlines the entire product development process. This is just the start of what is possible with AHA Knowledge. Finally, you can take control of your product documentation. Use the question mark in your account to get help from an expert. Our customer success team has deep product expertise and responds incredibly fast. Get started today with a free 30-day trial, or schedule a live demo to see examples of how other teams are using this powerful functionality to create and share product information.